Multimedia. No, I'm just kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to SS Multimedia. My name is Naman Patil, and I'm going to be teaching your lesson today with Nirvi Patil, my sister.
Hi.
Okay, so today we're going to be learning about problem solving, draw a picture, and write an equation. So we're going to be drawing a picture and writing equations. Okay, so today's objective is to learn how to solve an addition and subtraction problem using pictures and equations. Pictures and equations, subtraction, and addition. Okay, so addition is plus or adding, subtraction is minus or subtracting.
Yeah.
And pictures and equations are pictures, me.
You forget about me.
That's a picture. And an equation is 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's an equation. We're not going to be drawing stick figures in this though. We're going to be drawing drawings that'll help us figure out the answer to a problem. Addition and subtraction problem.
Yeah.
So, let's get started. We have two word problems here. Okay, and I'm going to read both of them out right now. Naman had 14 apples in a basket. His sister gave him 19 more. How many apples does Naman have in all? So let's start off with some drawings. Okay, start off with some art. Art time, come on! Oh wait, I forgot. Nirvi drew a penguin and it turned out to look like an apple. But well, let's not talk about that. Let's focus more on. Oh wait, you're supposed to be drawing apples right now. Okay, so let's draw a picture. So I'm not gonna draw 14 apples. That's too much work right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw a big. Whoa, that's a good looking square. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a big. Well, what's that called? A square. Okay, I'm just gonna call that a square. Okay, a big square that represents 10. The square represents 10, and then I'm gonna draw 1, 2, 3, 4 more because there's 14 and 10. 14 minus 10 equals 4. Okay, whatever. So, no, I'm just kidding. That's pretty important. So now we have to add 19. So let's make that little good looking box which represents 10. And then let's draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So funny how I look, that makes made that look symmetrical. Okay, whatever. So now we have this. So now we can add these 4 plus this 9. So 1, 2, 3, or let's go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have an answer of 13 there. Let me erase all that. Let's write 1, 2, 3. Now we add another 10 here because to get that 10 from the 13. Let's box that. So now we have 3 10s and 3 1s. Okay? So now we can add 10, 20, 30, and then 1, 2, 3. 30, 31, 32, 33. So now Naman has 33 apples in all. Let me box that because that's our answer. Okay. So now, next problem says Mr. Jeff has 41 pens in his classroom. The students took 32 of them. How many pens does Mr. Jeff have now? So, we have Mr. Jeff has 41 pens. So, we can underline that. And it says the students took 32 of them. So, we can underline that too. So, now we have to draw a picture again. So, this line will equal 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay? And then 1. Because it's 41. Then we have 32. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. So now we can do this. We can subtract 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10. Because we're taking out 3 because of 32, right? And then now there's 2, but we only have 1 here. So we have to cross this out and make this 11. So 1 and 1, which is basically what we drew before. So I'm going to make that into ones. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so now we can take away 2. 1, 2, which equals 9. So now the answer to this problem is 9. Mr. Jeff has 9 pens left. Not a lot of pens, Mr. Jeff. Better buy some more. Okay, so now let's do some more problems. This time we're not going to draw a picture. We're going to write an equation. So I'm going to read out the first problem now. Naman had 14 apples in a basket. Oh, this is the exact same problem. Okay, so, oh yeah, wait. Both of these are the exact same problems, but instead of drawing a picture for these, we're going to now draw an equation, or write an equation. So now let's write an equation down. So 14 plus 19 equals blank. So this is where our answer goes. Okay, so now let's write it down in the vertical form. So 19 plus 14. Here's where I need your help, Nervy. I don't know my addition.
I don't know about that.
Okay, so now I need help here. I don't know what to do. What's 9 plus 4? I forgot.
9 plus 4.
13. Okay, I guess you whispered it to me. So 13. So you add 1 here. I think that's what you do. Yeah. Okay. Good. Sorry, I forgot my addition.
I heard you.
Oh, come on. Okay, now I cannot figure out what 1 plus 1 is. What is it?
2.
Oh, 2 plus 1? Ah, 4. Oh, 3.
So in total we have 30.
33 is our answer. And now we can go back to our drawing picture page, and we see that we have 33 as an answer here too. And here's a cool fun thing. You can always use drawing a picture to make sure that your equation is right and your answer is right, and you can vice versa. You can use an equation to make sure that your drawing is right. Okay? So now we can move on to the next problem. So same problem, 41 pens and 32. So 41 minus 32. Okay, so now I'm going to need your help again, Nervy.
Okay.
So 41 minus 32. 41 minus 32. It's like a great 3. Okay, so that's where our answer goes. Just move this equation to the side a bit. See how cool that is? Just take it and drag it to the side. Oopsies, I forgot that. Okay, I'll just draw that thing again. Okay, so now I need your help again.
Okay.
This part I am pretty sure I know what to do, so we can make this 11.
Do you know your subtract?
What's 11 minus 2?
11 minus 2 is 9.
Oh yeah, why didn't I get that? Okay, so now, but since we carried over or borrowed, this 4 becomes 3. So now it's 3 minus 3. I never get these.
0.
Really? Oh, I thought it was 25,462. Okay, whatever. So, now again we got an answer of 9. And what did we get in this other page? We got 9.
9.
So we know that that answer is correct. Or there's at least enough evidence to prove that answer is correct. Okay, so now I've been doing all the problems with Nervy by ourselves. You guys haven't done anything literally. Like, Yeah. So now I'm gonna give you guys a couple of problems or a problem to do by yourself. Okay, so now it's your turn. So after I read out the problem, I want you guys to pause the video and work that problem out. And make sure you have an answer with both a drawing and an equation to prove it.
Yeah.
Okay? So I'm going to read it out now. John had 25 bells on his hat. Jeff had 29 bells on his hat. How many bells do both of them have in all? So that's one question. Or how many more bells does Jeff have than John? So again, the first question asks for addition. The second question asks for subtraction. Just remember that. And 25 bells, 29 bells. Okay? So now, you know what? Let's do this. I want a picture for the first question and equation for the second question. Okay? So while we're waiting, Nervi, you wanna sing some Jingle Bells? No? No? Okay. Fine. Alright, we'll just wait then. Okay. You guys should be back by now. If you're not, be back by now. Okay. So now I'm gonna work out this problem and have the answer with you guys. Okay? So make sure you have the answer ready because we're gonna be doing some scoring at the end. Okay? Now let's do this. So 25 bells and 29 bells. Says how many bells do both of them have in all? So first we know that it's addition, so we have to add both of them up. So 28 has two tens in it, so we know that the boxes are tens. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. Okay, and then 29 has two tens again. Two tens. And 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, perfecto. Okay, so now let's add. So we can start counting these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. Okay, now we can erase this and write down 1, 2, 3, 4. But wait, it's 14, so we have to add another 10 to this. Okay. Okay. So now we can count the tens and the ones. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. So 50, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 54. So we have for the addition problem, or for the addition question, we have an answer of 54. So let's box that. Gray box there. Okay, and now let's do the subtraction equation. 29 minus 25. Remember, for this one we need an equation. 29 minus 25. Okay, so now 9 minus 5 is?
4.
Oh yeah, that was 4. Okay, and then, now I never get this. 2 minus 2, come on. What is it? Help me out, Nervy.
0.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so we have an answer of 0. I mean, not 0, 4. For this one. Okay, so now you guys can check your answer using the opposite method, like sorry, like a drawing. A drawing can be checked with an equation, and an equation can be checked with a drawing. You guys can do that by yourself. Okay, but for now, remember to comment down below of what score you got. If you got the first question right and the second question right. If you got only the first question right or only the second question right, or or you got none of the questions right. If you got none of them right, no problem. Keep working.
Yeah.
If you got one of them right, then no problem. Again, just keep working.
Yeah.
If you got both of them right, no problem. Just keep working. There shouldn't be a problem. Well, good job. Keep working. Well, that's it for now.
What if you get 3 out of 2?
Okay. There's no extra credit here. Well, that's it for. Wait. Did I forget 3 steps or something?
I think so.
Oh. Sorry about that, folks. No, sorry. Okay. So those 3 steps are: remember to
like
this video, Remember to share this video to everyone you know. And last but not least, remember to subscribe to this channel. And while you're there, hit that bell icon too.
Yes, please.
Don't actually hit it. You might break whatever you're using to watch. Well, that's it for now. Bye-bye.
Bye.